Hi friends, welcome to my channel Early Knowledge. Today I will tell you one easiest technique by which you can remember the articles simply comparing it with this image. Today I will discuss the articles from 14 to 18, right to equality. ये जो right to equality है ये हमारा कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में पार्ट 3 फंडामेंटल राइट के पार्ट 3 में इंक्लूड किया गया है. कैन remember these articles easily by comparing with this image. The first article of this part is article number 14. ये जो article 14 है इसको हम लोग easily याद कर सकते हैं. The article 14 is equality before law and equal protection of laws. Article 14 is equality before law and equal protection of laws. Now compare this article with this image. The lower part, that is law, in this way we can remember it. Okay, the article 14, that is equality before law and equal protection of law, that is lower part of this image. The next article, that article 15, this also we can compare with this image. Article 15 is prohibition of discrimination on grounds of religion, race, caste, sex or place of birth. Now compare this article with this portion, that is caste, sex especially. Okay, by comparing this region we can remember the article number 15, that is prohibition of discrimination on grounds of religion, race, caste, sex or place of birth. Okay, in this way we can remember article 15. Okay, the next article, that is article number 16, we can compare it this portion with this portion, that is the article 16 is equality of opportunity in matters of public employment equality, that is article number 16, we can compare with this portion of this image so that we can easily remember. Okay, the next article is, that is article 17. Article 17 especially talk about untouchability. The article 17 is abolition of untouchability and prohibition of its practice. We can simply compare with this portion, that is we can touch with our hands. So friends, this one is the very easiest technique through which we can remember article number 14, that is equality before law. Next article 15, that is prohibition of discrimination on the grounds of religion, race, caste, sex or place of birth. Next is article number 16, equality of opportunity in matters of public employment. Next one, that is article 17, is abolition of untouchability and prohibition of its practice. Okay, and the next article is article number 18. The last article of this part, that is right to equality, our first fundamental rights. The article 18 is abolition of titles except military and academic. For example, during the British period, so many titles were given to the Indians, but the Constitution abolished all the titles by January 26, 1950, when Constitution comes into force. Every title present in India abolished to ensure equality before law. Okay, let's discuss some important multiple choice question which may come from these 5 articles. Okay, the first question is, the Constitution guarantees that all citizens will be equal before law. It is provided in, here will be the option C is correct option, article 14 of the Constitution. The next question is, prohibition of discrimination on grounds of religion, race, caste, sex or place of birth is a fundamental right classified under right to equality. Okay, just remember with the image, when you got this word, then you can compare with this image. In this way you can easily remember this question. But some exceptions are there. There are especially 3 exceptions. These 3 are: number 1, special provisions for children and women; number 2, socially and economically background section; and number 3, SC and STs. Okay, third question is, the fundamental rights in our constitution are inspired by the constitution of. Actually, the fundamental rights which is include our constitution is taken from the constitution in United States of America. Okay, here the option D will be correct option. Next question is, which article in the constitution guarantees us the right to equality? I already told it, article number 14 to 18. That is option A is correct option. Next question is, prohibition of discrimination on grounds of religion, race, caste, sex or place of birth include in article, in which article? Here is specifically given, so the article 15, that is B is correct answer. Equality of opportunity in matters of public employment is include in which article? It is option C, article number 16. This one, public employment. Okay. Come to the next question. Abolition of untouchability and prohibition of its practice is included in which article? That is article number 17. Untouchability. In the image I told that hands, we can touch with hands. That is option B is correct option. And the next question is, abolition of titles except military and academic is included in article 18. I already told, during the British period so many titles were given to the Indians, but after January 26, 1950, when the constitution came into force, all these titles given by the British was abolished to ensure equality before law. So article 10 is the correct answer. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, then please subscribe my channel and knowledge.